Welcome to Data, AI, and Design, data storytelling for sports. Over the next few weeks, we'll show you how to build amazing sports data stories. It's going to be fun, informative, and by the end of the course, you're going to be a data story champ. Throughout the course, we'll cover areas such as exploring and analyzing data to find the narrative, understanding how to use AI in sports content, incorporating design into your story, targeting and producing for specific modalities, and much, much more. But before we get too far, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. That way, as we publish more modules, you'll be the first to get notified. Now let's get to storytelling. In today's digital landscape, data is everywhere, but raw data alone isn't enough to make an impact. To truly reach your audience, data must be transformed into an interesting narrative. This is the essence of data storytelling. Data storytelling is the art of blending narrative techniques with data analytics to communicate insights in a clear, engaging, and persuasive manner. And it's not just about charts and numbers. For us, it's the strategic fusion of data, AI, and design to create powerful, engaging, and insightful content. Data storytelling translates complex data into a structured narrative that is easy to understand and interesting. It has to be engaging, and depending on the nature of the story, can be actionable. Data storytelling combines three core elements. The first is data. It's the foundation of every story. Data provides the facts, trends, and insights that drive the narrative. The second is narrative. The storyline gives context to the data, helping the audience grasp its significance. The third are the visuals. Charts, graphs, socials, infographics, video, and other modalities are what bring your story to life. When done right, data storytelling informs, persuades, and inspires action. It's used across industries, from journalism to marketing to sports analytics, helping businesses and creators make data more accessible and compelling. Data storytelling is a significant opportunity within the creator economy. For example, in 2024, the creator economy was worth $156 billion. By 2030, it'll be worth $528 billion. Further, there are 50 million content creators worldwide, and this number grows every day. The creator economy is changing what it means to be an independent creator. And data storytelling is one of the ways in which creators can meaningfully engage within the creator economy. And the opportunity for sports-minded content creators is significant and growing. And while we'll focus on sports data storytelling in this email course, we see opportunities across many domains such as sports, news, conservation, politics, and entertainment. AI has revolutionized data storytelling, making it more efficient to research, analyze data, detect patterns, and optimize content generation efforts. In our projects, we leverage AI in several areas that have proved invaluable. For example, we use it in our projects across the areas of research, data analysis, and content. When we leverage AI, there are some instances where what we do is very automated, such as a search query or a prompt we enter into an AI website. In other instances, we may have to write code, draft scripts, source and transform data, or create art and images to use as input into the AI or machine learning algorithms we may be building. Sports data storytelling differs from traditional data storytelling because it deals with real-time, highly engaging, and emotionally charged content. Fans, analysts, and teams all consume sports data differently, requiring stories that not only inform but also entertain and provoke discussion. Several distinctions differentiate data storytelling for sports. First, sports content often require live data updates during games, which means data stories must be dynamic and adaptive. Second, sports fans are passionate. Storytelling must tap into rivalries, records, and historical comparisons to resonate. Third, unlike business or finance, where trends might evolve over months or years, sports data storytelling needs to break down performances on a game-by-game or season-by-season basis. Fourth, sports storytelling focuses heavily on specific stats like expected goals, possession percentages, shot maps, and player efficiency ratings, all of which require contextual explanations. And lastly, sports data should be easily digestible, favoring interactive dashboards, highlight-infused graphics, and visual comparisons between players, teams, and historical performances. To make this course more practical, we're going to introduce and progressively build out a data story. By doing this, we'll cover the data analysis, translating that analysis to a narrative, finding the hook, applying design principles to the narrative, leveraging AI, and finally producing the data story. We'll also refer to resources and templates that we're building and releasing for creators in the space, and showcase demo projects that show you the potential of what you can create. Most data stories come down to a simple question, and in our data story example, the question at the heart of this sample data story is, when do NHL superstars peak and then decline? NHL superstars are the top of the league in terms of performance, but even the best athletes follow a natural age curve. That's what we'll explore in this course. In each module of the email course, we'll walk through the specific steps you would take to build out the data story. The goal of the data story will be for you to take the sample data and follow along to build out your own sample data story. You can choose to build the same story as is in the course, or you can take the data and choose to do something else with it.